Hello everybody, my name is Amateur Reviewer, and today we are reviewing the BCP SKY1036 keyboard. I got this keyboard off Amazon for about, I think it was $120. Comes with the keyboard itself, a stand, and this nice little thing to hold your sheets of music, which most keyboards don't come with. So, let's get into the features. Okay, so I just plugged in the keyboard, and the power button is right over here. Pushes in for on. And it has this nice LCD display. And the maximum volume it goes up to is 16, which is pretty loud. And the minimum volume it goes to is 0, of course, but we're gonna go to 1. It's pretty quiet, not that loud. So the one I like to go to automatically is 5 because it sounds nice. This keyboard has 200 different rhythms you can select from on this little keypad. It's got these 8 buttons here. Play all kinds of percussion instruments, and it has this button right here that says keyboard percussion, and you press it. Nope. Press it. You can play any sort of drum on the keyboard. So let's play a real song. Okay guys, we're just gonna play simple little Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. As you can see, the keyboard is really nice. It's really sensitive. That's nice. Really, really sensitive. And I forgot to mention a few features. Up here, they have a metronome. Okay, get the metronome out of here. Turn it off. Okay, and they have demo songs you can listen to. Yep, they'll play songs. And there's this button called One Key, where it'll play the demo songs, but without the piano music. So, let me try it out. You just have to tap one key. Yeah. So, let's test out some rhythms. Let's go 25 to 5. Well, that sounds really cool. So I think that just wraps up about everything. See you guys in the next review.